Properties of real numbers. We start with the commutative property of addition. And this property says that A plus B equals B plus A. This is true of any addition problem. It is not true of subtraction, but we can change any subtraction problem into an addition problem, and then it is true. So it's not true of subtraction, but we can change subtraction into addition, and then we can use the property. So how do we do that again? Oh yes, let's see. A minus B equals A plus the opposite of B. So A minus B is the same as A plus the opposite of B. Now that I have an addition problem, this does equal the opposite of B plus A. We can use the commutative property with a negative. So if we change subtraction into addition, then we can switch it. But the commutative property is only true of addition. All right, let's look at the commutative property for multiplication. So the commutative property of multiplication, this one states that A multiplied by B equals B multiplied by A. So I can switch them and do them with either order, and I'll have the same answer. This is also not true of division, but we can change division into multiplication, and then it will hold true. But to multiplication, and then the property will be true. So A divided by B equals A multiplied by 1 over B, which is the same as 1 over B multiplied by A. And that is, in fact, a true statement. So now we can look at the associative property of addition and the associative property of multiplication. And this one is A plus B, the quantity, plus C equals A plus the quantity B plus C. So we can rearrange and do them in any order. And then the associative property of multiplication, A multiplied by the quantity B multiplied by C equals the quantity A multiplied by B multiplied by C. And we can do that in whichever order. And the last one we're going to talk about right now is the distributive property of multiplication over addition. So if we have A multiplied by the quantity B plus C, we can distribute the A over the numbers in the parentheses. And so we take A and we multiply it by B, and then to that we add A multiplied by C, and we'll get the same answer.